Hello everyone, good evening. This is the class of fluid mechanics. As you know, fluid mechanics is the branch of science which defines the behavior of fluids, which is which can be liquid or gases, and it can be at rest or as well as motion. Fluid mechanics is analyzed in following terms: fluid statics, fluid kinematics, and fluid dynamics. Fluid statics, it deals with fluid in rest condition, and fluid kinematics, it deals with fluid in motion without considering forces responsible for motion, and fluid dynamics, it deals with fluid in motion and considering the forces responsible for motion. What is fluid? A substance in liquid or gaseous phase is referred as fluid. Fluid has the capacity to deform continuously under the action of shear stress. In contrary to solids, where stress is proportional to strain, in fluids, stress is proportional to rate of strain. Fluid can also be stated to be in continuum for its analysis. Fluid can be classified as liquid, gas, ideal fluid, and practical fluid. Up now we will study about properties of fluid. First one, density or mass density. It is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to its volume. Its density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per cc. Density of mercury is 13,600 kg per meter cube. Density of liquid may be considered as constant while that of gas changes with the variation of temperature and pressure. Density of gas is inversely proportional to temperature. Density of gas directly proportional to pressure. Now a specific weight. A specific weight is the ratio of weight of fluid to its volume, and it is related with mass density. Is density weight density is equal to mass density into g, and it depends upon temperature and pressure of fluid. Specific weight of water is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. The specific weight of air is 12.67 newton per meter cube. A specific volume, it is defined as the volume of fluid occupied by unit weight of fluid. A specific volume is inversely proportional to a specific weight. It is expressed as meter cube per kilonewton, commonly applied to gases. A specific gravity, it is defined as the ratio of weight density of fluid to weight density of a standard fluid of a same volume. A specific gravity is also called a relative density. It is a dimensionless quantity. For fluids, a standard fluid is generally considered as water at 4 degrees centigrade. For gases, a standard fluid is taken as air or hydrogen as respect temperature and pressure. Now we will study about vapor pressure and cavitation. A tendency to change from liquid state to gaseous state is known as vaporization. Vaporization occurs because of continuous escaping of molecules through the free liquid surface. When the liquid is confined in a closed vessel, the eject vapor pressure gets accumulated in the space between free liquid surface and the top of vessel. This accumulated vapor of liquid exerts a partial pressure on the liquid surface known as vapor pressure of liquid. As molecular activity increases with temperature, vapor pressure of liquid increases with temperature. Thank you.